Wasayati Saka Yohatu Sach. How are you doing? My name is Sacha. I'm over here in Gus Davis, Glacier Bay, Alaska, and I'm working on this mask. Been working on it, so I'm going to talk to you a little bit about where I'm at, what I'm doing with it, and where I'm going to go with it. It's a Tlingit mask. It's alderwood from Juneau. So anyways, I've been working on this mask here, hollowing out the back end of it. There's a lot of wood that gets removed here, and I do it with the hand tools, chisels, things like that, adzes. So I hollowed out the mouth the other day using chisels and water and punching my way through like ended up being like 3.5 inches of wood total. And so now I have the center of the mouth opened up. Now I'm going to the corners, and I want to find out where the stop cut is going to be. So what I have here is this hand saw will go right in the hole here. And so I'm going to go ahead and do some sawing, find out which one's going to work best. And what I'm doing is establishing where the stop cut's going to be. So when I look at it from the inside, I'll know where it's going to end up being, or where the end of the mouth is going to be at. All right. That's getting pretty close on that side. Turn it around over this way. And I'll just work it with the chisel, going back and forth. So with the adzing, I know that there's still quite a bit of weight here. So I'm going to take some of it down with hit here. When I look at that, I'm looking at this area right here, and I'm feeling the thickness of it and how far down I need to go. So I can go down a little bit more. I do this while I'm sitting down in a chair as well. I decided to go ahead and do this here while I'm right here. I'll take a look and see how this is working, and looking pretty good that way. So what I'm looking at right now too is the thickness here where the eyes are. Gonna be right back here. So I think I'm gonna turn this around this way and I'll remove some wood. And I also have wood that can come off from right in the nose area here. I think I could come on pick a little bit off the top. And come down. Right there. This area right here that I'm working at right now is where the nose is, this part. See how far down in it goes? So I can take it in here a ways. I'll use chisels as well to take it and just finesse it as I work my way down. The closer I get to the area of like I have to watch out for this part here, this surface, and there's an undercut in there, so I want to make sure that I don't break through that on this end over here on this side. And this part of the adzing is important. It's something that has to happen as well. So all the masks I make, or people making masks, you gotta hollow out the back side. So what you can see here as well is that it's not just this surface here is gonna change. It gets deeper. You can see where the mouth is at, and you can see here. So I'll bring the mouth in, I'll hollow the back side of it. I'll take more wood out and get it to maybe like a 1/2 inch, no less than a 1/2 inch, between 1/2 and 3/4, something like that, all along in here. I'll hollow out the wood in the back where the nose is, because that can get, wood can get removed there, from there too. Got to be careful from the depths of here and down in here on the back side. And so the forehead, I'll keep removing some wood along here and then over to the outsides, and it's getting closer. So anyways, that way the mask will feel like a mask and it won't be too heavy and too blocky. And so it's an ongoing process. So removing wood on a mask this size, that's a lot of work. So with that, I'll just put that right there. All right, I'll talk with you later. Kaasteen, Satsu, huh?